Good morning, everyone. Let me start by asking you a question. What did you eat today? Now, think about this. What you choose to put on your plate not only affects your health, but it also affects the entire planet. I am passionate about this topic because I care deeply about the future of our environment, and I believe that one of the most powerful ways we can fight climate change is by rethinking how we eat. Today, I want to persuade you to consider reducing your consumption of meat and dairy products. Why? Because doing so can significantly reduce greenhouse gas emissions, conserve our natural resources, and promote long term sustainability. Animal agriculture is a major source of emissions. Let's start with the facts. According to the United Nations Food and Agriculture Organization, livestock farming is responsible for about 14.5% of the global greenhouse gas emissions. That's more than all transportation combined. Cows and sheep emit methane, which is a greenhouse gas that is 25 times more powerful than the carbon dioxide over a 100-year period. And when forests are cleared to create grazing land, that releases even more carbon into the atmosphere. Poor and mimic. In one of the most comprehensive food system studies ever done, found that even the lowest impact animal products will still cause more environmental damage than the highest impact plant-based foods. It's not just about emissions, it's about the entire system. It is an enormous drain on natural resources. Now let's talk water and land. It takes around 1,800 gallons of water to produce just 1 pound of beef. This is a study by the Water Footprint Network. Compare that to lentils or beans, it is a fraction of that. Animal agriculture also requires massive amounts of lands, not just for the animals themselves, but to grow the crops that feed them. This process uses valuable arable land that could be used to grow food directly for people. It is inefficient and unsustainable. Imagine how many more people we could feed and how much less water we would waste if more of us simply chose plant-based foods more often. This shift is good for health as well. It's not just about the environment, it's also about us. Harvard School of Public Health and the EAT Lancet Commission have both found that reducing animal product consumption can lower your risk of heart disease, stroke, obesity, and even some cancers. Willett and Springman in 2016 and 2019 found that if everyone shifted toward a more plant-based diet, millions of lives could be saved each year, and global healthcare costs could be significantly reduced. Eating more plants isn't some radical or extreme idea. It is a simple and proven way to take care of ourselves and the earth at the same time. Small changes can make a big difference. I'm not asking everyone to become vegan overnight or even vegan at all. It's just not realistic. But what is realistic is trying something like meatless Mondays, or swapping out dairy milk for oat milk or almond milk, or choosing a veggie burger every once in a while instead of a beef one. These are small actions that can add up, especially when more people do them. Choosing to eat more plants is one of the easiest and most impactful changes you can make, and it can be tasty and affordable, fun too. So let's go back to that first question. What did you eat today? Maybe tomorrow you'll make a different choice. A choice that not only supports your health, but also supports the planet that we all share. Reducing our meat and dairy consumption isn't about being perfect. It's about being intentional. Every meal is an opportunity to take a stand against climate change, conserve resources, and promote a more sustainable world. Let's make that choice together. one bite at a time. And thank you for your time today, and have a nice day.